Crocodile Cauldron. Hothead Hop. What? What? That was unfair. You go away. Alright, so these dudes launched me. Like the stars. I don't know whether I got the reward or not. Oh, okay. So I press A and it just makes a platform. I have to press A a second time for the platform to open up. Find this barrel. Find the token. Didn't mean to do that. It's fine. Oh, no, it's not fine. Didn't even get anything. Alright. Swanky's bonus. Alright, let's see what Swanky's got for me. Frankie challenge. What is the name of the first lava level on this area of the island? Hothead Hop. What is the name of this area of the island? Crocodile Cauldron. How many times did you have to hit the end of area giant bird to kill him? Six. Four. Lucky Lava. What colors were the crocodile heads you jumped on in the first lava level? Green and brown. What is an extra lives balloon colored red worth? 1 life. That's what I'm looking for. Excluding the end of area boss, how many levels were there on the first area of the island? I can count that off of my splits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or, excluding the boss. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well played. Gorilla Gang. How many banana bunches would you have to collect to get an extra life? 1 banana bunch is worth 10, so 10. That's correct. Where did the beetle first appear during the first area of the island? The beetle. I'm gonna go with level 2. What is the name of Diddy's ponytail girlfriend? Dixie! Didette. Everyone is a winner here. Clubba's Kiosk. Now hear this, landlubbers. Me name is Clubba, and cross me bridge is gonna cost you many pieces of bait. And if you don't pay up, I'll run you through like the scurvy dog you are. It costs 15 Grim Coins to cross over, mateys. I'm running away. I want to play all the levels. Come back when you want a beating. But that is nice that they give you an option. Cannon's Claim. Oh. Aha. I'm not quite that good. And I missed. That works. What? You can bounce off the barrels that he shoots. That's nice. not so nice. I don't think I can bounce off of those. Oh, come on! There's DK. And checkpoint. And I missed a lot. At least things stay dead in this game. There's that. Nice throw. What? He shot a cannonball after he was dead? Not fantastic. You've got to be kidding me. I flew over the platform. What? It just came out of nowhere. Not sure what that Diddy barrel is, but I can't do anything with it, so... Hey, I got an extra life. I lost Dixie, but I got an extra life. Alright, that's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Hello, and welcome back to more Donkey Kong Country 2. Diddy's Kong Quest. Yeah, we're loading a suspend point. We are at Lava Lagoon. So last time we started up this game, it's definitely an upgrade over the previous game. What do we got? gonna guess I don't want to step in that. The red water does not look like fun. Oh! But the seal cools it off. There we go. Here's the K. I'm gonna just mostly try for the Kong letters and finishing. Anything else is bonus. What's this up here? I'm invincible. Awesome. Does that also make me invincible to the fiery water? Yes, it does. That is awesome. Red water? No big deal when you're invincible. Ooh, pufferfish. I'm supposed to go over there. Oh. There's the inn. Fast. Ah! Not good, not good. Fast. Whew. That's close. There's the G. For life. Ah, red water, red water, red water. Keep the water from being red. There we go. Oh. Not good. Whew. That was close. Okay. On college. I don't know, do you have anything for free for me? When you see Captain K. Rool, when you ask him if he has done his homework, you can save. Riley the snake. Make your snake buddy jump in midair, walk off an edge, and press the jump button as he falls. Rope climbing. Press and hold the Y button when you are on the ropes, and you will climb up and down them faster than normal. Do that already. On letters. Collect all 4 of these on a level to earn an extra life. Do that already as well. Okay. Goodbye, dearies. Red Hot Ride. That sounds like a minecart level. Oh, never mind. I didn't see that one coming. Oh. In case. That is not a minecart level. Not at all. I just stand on it and press right. It goes. The updrafts push it up, otherwise it just goes down. I'm not gonna get rammy. Sorry. Ah! What? How? He just fell through the ledge. Ah. Okay. Gotta go lots higher. There we go. Yeah, I'm not getting that coin. Don't care. Don't care enough. Alright, then we need to go a lot lower here. This thing is good at not losing height very fast. Thankfully, bees don't pop it. Yeah, that's not worth it. Ah. Yeah. Checkpoint. My goodness, that was a long time coming. I missed the... No, I didn't miss the O, but I'm not getting that in. That's... And nope. Ah. Ah. Oh, good. He's gone. No? I missed the ends. Aha, extra life. Monkey Museum. I don't know why I help you so much. You don't appreciate me. This stuff is cheap at half the price. I've already played all those levels. Be really easy for you now. Squawk Shaft. Oh, there's the K. I didn't even see the barrel. Ah. Here we go. Good. Specifically for Dixie. Alright, fine. Ah! Point. For life. Not good. Oh my goodness. My aim is terrible. There's the O. Oh, fuck. Ooh, he carries me now. It's wide. Oh, that's nice. Why it's referred to as a shaft. Oh, that's not good. There's the DK barrel. Ah. Well, that's not good. Ah. Missed the G. Oh well. Weaver's Kiln. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think any sword would like being hit with a cannonball, but did not know about that. I pressed Y in the air there. Ah! I wonder if Diddy has something like that. Down. And it comes back up. Ah. That works. What? Okay. She didn't die. Good enough. He holds it above her, that's why I kept just jumping up to hit it.